Welcome back to Hi-Fi Tech and Entertainment channel. In this video, I will show you how to test the CAPM application in the Postman. So let's get started. So what I will do is I will create some sample application and directly I will deploy it and test it in the Postman. So database, and also I will show you to see the table, whatever the tables we have, that one we can see it in our HANA cloud system also. So for the deployment, productivity, runtime environment, I'm choosing this two. If you want to add destination service for the CAPM, we can add this. Just what I will choose is minimal sample application. Click on finish. First, once I open this, let me load. Meanwhile, we have to check our HANA system is running or not. It should be running. Then only we can deploy our tables to our HANA system. Then we can see that now it is ready. Go back here. Now, once I create a system, you can see already in the backend part will be loaded in our SAP HANA project. Let's open the new terminal. The first step what we have to take is npm install cds what. Why? Because already we choose some minimal, right? Okay, here we added XSUA. What I will do is I will maintain it as a mock. Now it will run. Already this port is used. Click on enter. Now we can see this. Yeah, just I'll show you the data. That's it. Yeah, now you can see. Now we'll deploy this application to here. For that, open the new terminal. We need to generate a folder, gen folder for the CDS build. Now these files are generated. You can see that. Now we need to bind this. So binding the HDI. This is the instance service already I created in my here HANA system. Continue. Now it's bonded. Then it will ask you for the deployment way. Once it is done, then we need to configure some components. That is, we need to run this. This one already I shared with you to support the connectivity and also some cloud connectivity and also to test it for the application in our cloud SDK files. That's why. Then we need to add HANA. CDS add HANA. Now this HANA feature is added here. See, once it is done, the deployment is pending. Let's deploy this. Once you click on here deploy, it will deploy. For that we can run CDS build and we can deploy, or CF push, it will deploy. Now it's deploying to the here. Once it will deploy, you can see that to our OpenHDA container. Let's open it. Now if you can see our HANA database explorer is running. Here it will load whatever the table you deployed it. Within the table section you see that. Let's see, this is this one, the latest one within the table. Yes, my books. You can see the column names. If you want to add the data, two ways we can add it. One is manually raw data, we can add it by click on add, or second one, if you want to import the catalog object. Once you here, we need to browse your CSV file, then we can import. So once you import it, then you have to refresh it. That's it. These are the ways you can import it. Once it is done, now we need to do the generate the, in case if that mta.aml file is not there, what we have to do is cds add mta. Once it is done, we need to add, if you want to add the app router, cds add app router. Once you maintain this, if you can see within the app folder, the structure will be created and the package.json and everything. Done. Now we need to deploy it. Now to generate a build, two ways we can do. Either right click, build MTA project we can do, or else MBT build. That command also we can run. You can see that MBT build. Both will be the same. So once we execute it here you can see the service build will be generated. Now npm install production command means it will execute the application. Let me show you that. Let it be. So here mtr.azure file will be there. Now we have mtr file. Now we will deploy this. Once you deploy this application, I think these all things already you know. Just I will show you. Once it is deployed, it will create a service instance and DB instance. That one we can see it here within the instance section. So once you create that, here we will get the client ID, client security and everything. Once we'll get that, what we have to do is go to your Postman, then create your collection. If you want to maintain a separate environment means click on environment, create some CAPM environment like this. Here if you want to pass everything dynamically, we can pass it like this. So this data we can call it in our collection sections. Two things will be the same. So when coming to the app URL, this is your app URL. So that where you will get all these things means I will show you here. Within the instance, you will get all. See, now we have this. Postman, this one only we created. And if we created destination, that one also will be here. Once it is done, you can see all that things. What things you need to be there is, click on this. Here we have an environmental variable. Here you can see all user profile variable, user provided variable. Let's go to the service instance, not overview, sorry. So this is your application. Once you click on this, your application will run. So till it's not completed, that's why it's not coming like this. If it is success, it will come. So now application start request will be there. Now it will run. This is the Postman app. Previously I created same way. That's just I will show you what things is required. If you go to an environmental variable, here if you see we have client ID, client secret, URL. These things we are going to use it here. So this authorization URL is nothing but your BTP system URL. This one will be the common. But if you this value will be changed for you. So just I will go here within the collection. We'll create a now get request. We are using BTP application to test it, right? Use the two. Then token, maintain it. To generate a token, we need to maintain the URL to access the token. Yes. If you see here, already they provided /auth/access token. This some structure we need to maintain. Slash. Let's copy this. /OAUTH. Slash access token. Before this, maintain the slash. So this will be your this one, your URL structure. Let me check it's deployed or not. Go to the dev, not yet, trailer. Yes, it's done. Here if you see your client ID, and here you can see the URL. This one you can take it. /auth/token. That's how we need to maintain. Then client ID, client secret. So this will be your client secret code. Yes. Now send as a basic authentication. Use client credentials in the body. That's it. So request token URL. This one, so you need to maintain it here. Application app URL will be here. Yeah, here it is. This one. So let's go there. Let's go there and check the access token first. Get the access token. Couldn't complete the postman console. Invalid host. Okay, let me copy the host. I forgot to add app URL. For that, go application. Application name is postman. Yeah, this. Yes, this is my application URL. This one we need to maintain it here. Sorry, collection. So here added the URL. I mean within the last whatever the service is there, I added it here. This is the one. Then it's the wrong service. Go back. Yeah, click on here. We'll see that. Then within the instance, let me go there. I will show you here. Client ID, client secret, URL. These three things I need to copy. Let's copy the client ID. Next, client secret. So here. This. That just I'm cross checking. Yeah, this is done. Here we need to maintain this. Then URL, refresh token URL. So here we need to maintain the postman. Correct. Now we will click on get new access token. So I'm getting error like bad credentials. Maybe I entered wrong URL. Let's cross check this. Basic authentication. Okay, here I forgot to maintain. Let's maintain this. Yeah. Now click on get. Yeah. Once I maintain here, it will ask you why this your access token is wrong. Let's cross check. Yeah. Now, if you see here, once I log in, it will generate a access token. Once we generated here a access token, just copy that and we need to paste it here like this. Once you paste it, it will be okay. Then we need to click on send request. Once you click on the send request, it will support the get parameters. That's how it will work. It will get success and we can see the response it here. So that's how we need to perform the read, write and all methods. It is taking time for me to load, but I am showing you the format how to maintain the get method. In case if you don't know this, the other way what we can do is here we will maintain the authorization URL, client ID, client secret, app URL. Once you maintain this, then here we need to create a post request and once you click on auth.access token and within the body section client ID and grant type. This ID we can hard code it directly here or else by using flower braces whatever the data for the client ID here will maintain that and once you click on send request here you will get the CSRF token for this application. That CSRF token we have to maintain it here and once you and then here we need to maintain /odata/v4 service. Once you click on that your get response will come. Same way we need to perform the post method. So to show that for me the deployment issue is that, that's why it is not supporting. If it supports, the structure will be like this. Please just try it once in your end. Still, if you face any issue, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. In next video, I will show you how to configure this CAPM application to our build work zone. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.